Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dimas Soyo. My student's number is 252-122-111-023. I've already analyzed J. Walker's speech, and now I'll explain the beginning, the main content of the speech, and the concluding part involving the claim, the reasons, and the evidence. I'll also explain the methods, speech approach of speech delivery, and the message of the speech. And now for the first one, in the beginning of the speech, he starts with attention-grabbing examples of mania to introduce the concept of mania as intense obsession or intense enthusiasm. So, for the examples, there is so-called Beatlemania, refers as the Beatles. So the condition, teenagers are screaming, crying, pandemonium. And then there is sports mania, deafening crowds for one idea, get the ball in the net. And then there is religious mania, rapture, weeping, full of visions. So manias can be good, alarming, or even deadly. Go to the main content of the speech, including claim, reasons, and evidence. For the claim, he claimed that the world has a new mania for learning English, or you can say it as English mania. The reasons are English is an opportunity to better life, better job, to pay for schools or better food on the table. English is the language of problem solving. And why English is the language of problem solving? Because English become a part of a wider conversation. There are 2 billion people worldwide that are learning English. The evidence in the speech, he plays audio of Chinese students repeating English words that come from their teacher's mouth by screaming it. There is a test called the Gaokao that determines students' future. 25% of them is based on English. There are 80 million high school Chinese students have already taken the test. So, a quarter of test score is based on English. So I'm not surprised that there is a student that study 12 hours a day for 3 years for studying English. China, and the last one, China will become the world's largest English-speaking country because by law, Chinese students start learning English in the 3rd grade. So as soon as possible, Chinese students in China are already learning English. And now, for the method or speech approach of speech delivery, there are 2 methods. The first one, it uses cause and effect sequence. So for the cause is people learning English, and the effects are better life, better job opportunities, and wider conversation. And the second one is problem solution sequence. The problem is climate change or poverty, hunger, or disease. The solution is learning English as a way to improve life and become a part of a global conversation about global problems. The last one, the meaning of the speech is learning English is a tool for wider conversation and connection. In his speech, said that English is the world's second language, so native language for your identity and English for wider conversation, for better life, for better job. So it doesn't mean that you don't learning your native language, or don't use your native language instead of English. No. So it means that you still use your native language, learn about your native language, but also make English as your second language for wider conversation, for wider connection, for wider conversation and connection. I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.